Why go the long way? Save time while working on your Mac with keyboard shortcuts. Here are a few to get you started. If you're running macOS Mojave or later, you can press Shift-Command-5 to open the Screenshot app. From there, take a screenshot, record your screen, and more, all of which will be saved to your desktop by default. Want to switch between apps? Hold down Command and press Tab to see all of the apps you have open. Then, tap the Tab key until you land on the app you want to switch to, and release Command to change it. When you're in the Finder, you can change the file layout view by holding Command and keys 1 through 4. Press Command 2 to switch to List View, Command 3 for Column View, Command 4 for Gallery View, and Command 1 for Icon View. You can also select multiple files by pressing the Command key while clicking the documents you want. And use Quick Look to view a scrollable preview of a file. Just select a file and press the spacebar. No more funky formatting when you're pasting something from your clipboard. Just hold down Option-Shift-Command-V to paste and match style. To look up the definition of something while you're in an app or on the web, highlight the text and press Control-Command-D. Quickly find the right emoji or special character by bringing up the character viewer. All you have to do is hold Control-Command-Spacebar. Now you can find the right emoji or special character. To find apps and documents on your computer or information from the web, you can use Spotlight. Bring it up by pressing Command-Space. Instead of having multiple Safari windows open a new tab by pressing Command-T. Then close it by pressing Command-W. And press Control-Tab to switch active tabs. To hide the active app, press Command-H. This won't quit the app, but it will minimize the window. You can reopen it from the dock. When you're in an app, find out what shortcuts you can use by clicking anywhere on the menu. Shortcuts will appear next to menu items. For everything else, there's also the Help menu, which is just a Shift-Command ? away. Now you can try Mac keyboard shortcuts out for yourself. For more tips on how to make the most of your Mac, subscribe to the Apple Support channel or click another video to keep watching.